pain kept passing on, like shadows moving through the dawn. Silent wounds, unspoken fears, unconscious misbehaviors echo through generations. But somewhere deep a heart awakens, a quiet strength begins to rise, a voice that says it ends with me. I am the healthy branch of my family tree, created to break the cycle and change the narrative. We undo what the devil has done. God's purpose for family starts now, as we take a turning point, the beginning. We are stronger than the story. We are more than what has been. Every step toward healing is where new lives begin. We are the global cycle breakers. We are the healing line, where broken stories end and brighter futures shine. We are the ones who choose forgiveness over hurt. We are the seeds of hope that grow through every dryness. From one brave heart, a legacy will start. We are the global cycle breakers. A single choice can change the path. A gentle truth can heal the past. Love can grow where hurt once lived, and freedom blooms when we forgive. No longer bound by yesterday, no longer walking in ignorance. We rise together hand in hand to lead our families into light. Let the healing flow through every generation. Let the courage grow and rewrite every story. Where one heart stands, 1,000 lives can see the power of a brand new family tree. We are the global cycle breakers. We are the healing light, where broken stories end and brighter futures shine. We are the hope that rises through every family tree, a future built on healing, the pathfinder that prepares the way into wholesome family legacy and national wholeness. Wholesome family solution, where new legacies begin. We bring light, hope, and healing to nations, and they shall build the old wastes. They shall raise up the former desolations, and they shall repair the waste cities, the desolations of many generations. A little one shall become 1,000, and a small one a strong nation. I, the Lord, will hasten it in His time.